don't even know if these hurt you. Okay.
I just want to get off this island, but I keep finding loot.
One day we'll get off this island. But probably not today. Hey! Up and down. Is the front of the boat, is there ever a wave so big that you actually, like, get it, you know, go down low and then whoosh into the water, you know? Oh shit, there's a fucking rock in front of me.
We're headed straight for it. Couldn't have been more direct.
Kind of getting them to attack each other there. This guy's trying to shoot me. This guy's also focused on me. There you go. You guys shoot each other. I'll wait for fucking day. And there's glowing purple. What is that? Hold on. I don't know what that is. I gotta know what that is. This is gonna go well. This is gonna go very well. I thought my monkey came out of it. Eternal Guard. Well, that sounds great. That just sounds fucking great. Where the fuck is he? Everything's just going through it. This isn't good. I don't like this. I don't know how to kill him.
Your body and soul.
He's got a spear. He missed.
Our souls are chained forever.
Alright, we hit him once. I need ammo. I know ammo's over here. There's a chest up there, too. Ooh, this just spawned in. That's cool.
Our eyes are fixed on our victim. You.
Where you at, bro? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? Where'd you go? I like they keep moving around and shit. So you do that and then you move. It's not cool. Do I have any throwables? Yeah, there's my nose. Get him. Get him. Are you good guys or bad guys? You look like bad guys. Oh shit. Jesus Christ, you have no idea how long I've been fighting this guy. Oh my god. Oh, that is... Pick up Sanctuary of Banished Key. What do I do with it now? I have Banished Key.
What am I supposed to do with it?